ಯಶ್ ಕಾಮಿಕಾನ್ ಇವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ.
All different cultures we have. How do we come together? Because by the end of the day, all of us are humans and our emotions are same. How do we bring the world together? Is the story of this film. I think it's very, very important at this point in time. All of us are in that situation where different cultures should respect each other. Different culture should exchange their value system. We should learn from each other, and we should learn to accept the differences and really express our originality also. I think that's where Ramayana comes. It's pure.
ಓ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ರಾಕಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I mean to say, everybody will understand because their favorite superheroes or the characters which they've seen in their past or the movies have been made about them. If it is not presented in a manner which they would have imagined, I think they would be disappointed. That's a very common thing. But imagine a story or these characters which have been celebrated through ages, generations, and then when you try to make a movie and try to portray that character, it's a lot of pressure. But I think the best way to deal with this kind of thing is be genuine and be a fan of those characters. It had to be brutally honest portrayal of that character, keeping all my whatever work I've done in the past or whatever my belief systems are. But the point here is it's very, very intriguing character and it's got so much of layers. The best characters which we remember, which we carry for a long time, are the ones who believe in what they do, even though if it is wrong. But that particular character will never accept that it's
ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರು
wrong. So Ravana is
ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್
one such
ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್
character
ಎರಡು
who
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ.
believes in what he's trying to do is extremely powerful. How do I put it? It's like the OG villain. You can see, if you see all the villains in the world, I'm sure you guys have witnessed a lot of characters who are called villains or whatever it is. They all have belief system. But when you're watching this character or this story, I'm sure you will see like, okay, this I've seen in some movie, or this I think this is an essence of that mythology. So it's like, I think this is
Hollywood
traveled
Thanos
for a very
biggest
long time.
villain.
So when you see this, it is familiar but yet refreshing. The main aspect of it is the world, after all these exposure, instead of we all coming together in today's time, we have a lot of differences. We try to identify the differences.
Great intent and with great sacrifice he has done this. I should really be telling you guys that.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರು ಕಾಮಿಕಾನ್ ಇವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಿಲಮು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಶ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಡಮು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಶ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮಿ ಜರ್ನಿನೂ ಭಯಂಕರ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೊಗ್ಗಿನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ನಿಂದ ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಿಯಾಗೋ ಕಾಮಿಕಾನ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಯಶ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೇಸು ಭಯಂಕರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಲಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ 100% ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ KGF ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಬಿಹಾರಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೋರ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಯಶ್ಗೆ. ಯಶ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು, ಯಶ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದು. ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಮೂವಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಯಶ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದು. ಯಶ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಡಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು 100 CR ಫಿಕ್ಸು.
Daddy's home.